It is dangerous to be a chicken in America. You know how dangerous it is? 1.4 billion chicken wings will be consumed during March. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's only 750 million chickens, Jack. 750 million chickens? Where's PETA? Where's the climate for the chickens? Are the chickens forgot about? 1.4 billion chicken wings in 1 month. I can't even believe we have room in this country for this many fucking chickens. Where are the chicken farms? Where is 750 million chickens living? Where are they?
I don't know, Jack.
And if they're anywhere near Palestine, Ohio, I'm not eating chicken anymore.